Over the years, we've struggled with how can you actually get more movement out of a hand? How do you give someone more active extension of their fingers?
When I first heard about the H200 and we were approached about starting a program, I have to admit that we were somewhat skeptical. We're approached a lot of times by different vendors with new technology and, you know, here's the latest gadget of the month. But I would say that within probably 2 patient trials that the therapist had with the device, our skepticism started to diminish significantly.
This is the first device that really has been able to provide us with that sort of custom-fitted direct muscle stimulation to our target muscles that nothing else has enabled us to do. Not only can we train these muscles, but we can also have the person use their hand functionally, which is extremely exciting. So now they can grab onto an object and they can let go of an object. And so they can repeatedly do this sort of training. But then when we take the device off, they're actually able to continue to do some of these tasks. We believe that they can actually have more motor control through improved cortical reorganization.
Compliance with the home exercise programs with H200 has increased dramatically. They're more functional, they're more independent in their home. The need for the caregiver diminishes. It affords the patient to have that carryover in the home environment.
I think it's something that is affordable. And the other thing that I like about it, it's not invasive, and that's something that appeals to me as a physiatrist.
Botox has been extremely effective at reducing spasticity. But once you reduce some of that stiffness, unless they have the strength to actually open the hand, they don't have that active control. When you combine it with the stim, we're very encouraged that now we can improve function beyond just the injections.
The training and support that we received as a facility from Bioness was just phenomenal. They came in and did training with the therapist to make sure that the therapists and the clinicians were very comfortable with the device and answered any questions that we might have.
It really wasn't that challenging to learn a new technology with my busy schedule because it really fit into a lot of the things that I had already learned. It was not hard at all.
You really can't put a dollar amount on the quality of life that these patients see as an improvement after they've started to use the H200. They're able to do things by themselves. The functional recovery, the motor improvement, you just can't put a dollar amount on that.
I certainly don't need help as I used to. That's really something to be able to use the right hand in putting a belt on.
I was so excited. I felt a warm feeling inside because I could open and close my hand with the machine on.
When I'm reading, I can hold a page so that the page doesn't flip on me. When I write a check, I can hold the checkbook cover so that it stays where it's supposed to. Now when I go to a concert or a play, I can clap. Those are simple little things, but I couldn't do them before.